Today's factories need the ability to collect, analyze, and act upon data in real time from manufacturing processes, allowing for rapid responses to changing conditions and optimization of production. NXP's PLC IO Kit eliminates the complexity of developing PLC remote IOs or analog IO modules by providing a low-cost, scalable, and software-supported kit that accelerates prototyping and innovation. This expandable kit, based on the i.MX RT1180 crossover MCU and NAFE 13388, allows for quicker time to market with its modular design and complete suite of drivers. Our extremely flexible AFE architecture includes 8 universal, software configurable, high voltage inputs to measure different sensors and provides diagnostic capabilities for predictive maintenance. The i.MX RT1180 crossover MCU includes an integrated time-sensitive networking switch, EtherCAT sub-device controller, and edge-lock secure enclave, making it ideal for industrial applications. The PLC IO Kit supports multiple industrial communication protocols, including real-time Ethernet, time-sensitive networking, and OPC UA. The kit's flexibility, expandability, and end-to-end security, including support for IEC 62443 compliance, enables rapid development. Learn more at nxp.com/factory automation.